Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. At my favorite spot here, I have this mini Cessna with dual rotors, and the front dummy rotor is already moving. It's really windy to fly something like this, but hey, it's gonna be fun to fly a 2-channel mini Cessna with built-in stabilization system. And of course, this is extra durable. Let's have some fun with it. So, you want to get into RC planes park flying? These actually make very good planes. Now, the front propeller might be a bit of a drag here. It's already started. The original motors didn't start. Basically, it flies with a differential thrust and with these 2 rotors. So, here we go. Ah, check this out. What a beautiful thing. People, we are flying a little Cessna here. Oh, we crashed. Anybody died? Nobody died. So far looks very, very good. It has no elevator, so you have to basically, you know, just move this up and down. I would just put the tail slightly up and give it a try again. There we go. Yeah, now it's much more elevator. But on the turns, it does need some real nice control. So I will this time be a little tricky. Keep the throttle low and give it a throttle only when I'm making turns. Look how easy it is to fly. Really, very, very easy. And you don't have to actually worry about crashing it, because little things like these, they're not gonna break that easily. Obviously, I have a much more elevator now, so I'm having this you know, nose up and nose down movements. So let's land, and not like this, not like this. Let's land somewhere nearby me, and come here baby. Yeah, just close by. And let's adjust the tail a little bit. I will just put the whole tail down a bit like this. Okay, this takes, I mean, things like these, they actually take slight adjustments before they fly very well. Now you can see it's flying really nice, but coming back with the wind could be slightly trouble. So far so good. We are still flying. It's basically fun to fly. See how hands-free it is. Can you see it? And it's actually hovering with the winds. Sweet little plane. Look how it's hovering with the winds. And basically you get upwinds here because of this hill. Some paraglider pilots come here, beginners, to actually you know, practice. So if you fly a glider here, you'll have a lot of fun. Over here you can actually glide a lot. Okay, almost dived. Uh-oh, I'm trying to do some aerobatics. Passengers are puking in there. Blah, blah. But overall, I'm actually having a lot of fun. Look. Okay, give it some throttle here and reduce the throttle so it will start hovering here with the winds. Yeah. Yeah, that's the point. That's the point, baby. That's the spot. Yeah, that's the spot. to soar around, actually. Look, now this is a soaring technique to go left and right. Yeah, baby, hit each other. Show us some hits. I'm talking about that car. No, don't land there. Don't land there. Keep hovering. Now we have lots of wind, so it's pushing the plane back, but this is still flying really well. I will reduce the throttle a lot and fly it backward. Check this out. It is really nice and stable, man. With the differential thrust, they do create nice gyros nowadays. Ooh, so much wind now, people. the plane is just going away. I will have to cut down on the throttle and left and right, and try to bring it back, bling it back. Okay, come on people, pilots, I mean, in that plane, or the pilot on the ground, do a good job. Yes, it's coming back. Yes, it's coming. What's wrong with me today? I think I'm having just way too much fun at my old, beautiful spot, nostalgic spot. Lots of memories here for multi-rotors testing. Man, this thing is amazing to fly, really. Just one thing I'm wondering, that if the front propeller, the dummy one, is still creating, almost caught it, it's still creating some kind of, you know, resistance when this plane flies. But overall, man, what a beautiful flyer.